Hello, and welcome back to the Modern DT&I. Today, I have a little promo to share with you all. Recently, Anthony at 3D Prints reached out to me about his HO Scale monthly subscription box. I thought this was a neat idea, so we agreed he will send me several boxes to share with you. Check out the link in the description below. Full disclosure, I did not pay for these. However, seeing the quality and uniqueness of the items offered, I will likely continue my subscription on my own after this collaboration. 3D Prints offers parts in N-Scale, HO Scale, and O-Scale. Currently, the subscription box is for HO Scale only. Additionally, they offer 3D printing services, laser cutting and engraving, and CNC routing services. A peek at the website shows some other offerings, including acrylic letters and tool holders, perfect for our layout's fascia. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a special discount code you can only get right here. Now, let's look at the first box. When subscribing, you pick your era, so items are generally relevant to your layout. It's pretty standard packaging, and it's coming from Michigan, so there's a little DT&I connection there. And there are 3 total bags inside. The first bag has 3 baggage carts, both loaded and unloaded. To me, these looked a little more like S scale or O scale, a little large. The second bag, however, immediately had me thinking. There's extra picnic tables for the park. It also had more baggage carts. The third bag was my favorite though. It contained equipment cabinets that can be used pretty much anywhere, and tables and chairs, which I'll probably put at the Italian restaurant on Railroad Street in Ironton. Overall, I really like this concept a lot, and I think it'll take off with other manufacturers too. Especially because Anthony is including things that make you think about a level of detail that you may not usually go to. Plus, it's relatively inexpensive. I can just imagine I will always get something unique that'll make me think about something I wouldn't have necessarily thought about before. Go to the website using the link in the description below and check out what 3D Prints is all about. Again, stay tuned to the end of the video for a special discount code exclusive to Modern DT&I fans. But first, don't miss next week's major layout update video. You'll get to see where 300 is off to and some new locations and features on the layout. Now for that discount code. If you would like to subscribe to the HO Scale monthly box from 3D Prints, go to the website below, choose your era, and use code Modern DT&I at checkout. That's Modern DT&I in all caps, and you'll save 10% on your subscription. Jump over and follow me on Instagram at Modern DT&I. I'll be posting photos and clips of these parts as I use them along the layout. Until next time, happy railroading!